What if you could make fresh espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte-style drinks at home with just the press of a button? Today we're reviewing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo automatic espresso machine, a bean-to-cup machine designed to make café-style drinks more convenient at home. It combines a built-in conical Burr grinder, 13 grind settings, 15-bar pump, soft touch controls, and a milk frothing system in a relatively compact countertop design. But does it actually deliver the convenience and coffee quality you'd expect from an automatic espresso machine? Let's find out. The Magnifica Evo is designed for people who want freshly ground coffee without manually grinding beans, measuring coffee, tamping, and operating a traditional espresso machine. The machine grinds the beans immediately before brewing, then handles the brewing process automatically. Depending on the exact Magnifica Evo configuration, you can get one-touch drinks including espresso, coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, long coffee, hot water, and MyLatte. That makes it particularly appealing for busy mornings or households where everyone prefers a different type of coffee. Let's start with the coffee making system. The Magnifica Evo features a built-in conical Burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings, allowing you to change the grind based on the beans you're using and your preferred extraction. The machine also uses a 15-bar pump, while its automatic brewing system handles the coffee preparation with minimal manual work. Another advantage is the ability to customize certain drink settings, including coffee intensity and beverage length, depending on the model. There's also a twin-shot function on the USECAM 29084SB configuration, allowing you to prepare 2 espresso portions in one brewing cycle. For milk-based drinks, the Magnifica Evo offers a milk frothing solution designed to create creamy foam for beverages such as cappuccino and latte macchiato. The higher-spec ECAM 29084SB version uses De'Longhi's LatteCrema Hot Technology and includes MyLatte, which is designed to use the amount of milk you put into the carafe rather than leaving unnecessary leftover milk. The machine also has a user-friendly soft touch control panel with dedicated drink icons, making it easy to select your preferred beverage. And when it comes to maintenance, several removable components are dishwasher safe, which makes regular cleaning more convenient. In everyday use, the biggest advantage of the Magnifica Evo is convenience. You can keep your preferred beans loaded in the hopper, select a drink, and let the machine handle the grinding and brewing. The USECAM 29084SB model has an 8.8-ounce bean container and approximately 60-ounce water tank, so you don't have to constantly refill the machine between every cup. Its compact footprint, about 9.45 inches wide, 17.32 inches deep, and 14.17 inches tall, also makes it easier to fit on a kitchen countertop than many larger premium coffee machines. Of course, an automatic machine won't provide the same level of manual control as a dedicated espresso setup with a separate grinder and professional portafilter. But if convenience is your priority, that's exactly where the Magnifica Evo makes sense. So, is the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo worth buying? If you want freshly ground coffee, one-touch preparation, espresso and milk-based drinks, adjustable grinding, and easy everyday operation, the Magnifica Evo is a very compelling home espresso machine. Its combination of the 13-setting conical Burr grinder, 15-bar pump, intuitive controls, milk frothing system, customizable drinks, and removable components gives you a strong balance between convenience and coffee-making flexibility. The main thing to watch is the exact model number, because Magnifica Evo configurations vary. Some versions have a traditional manual frother, while others include the LatteCrema automatic milk system and additional drink options. Overall, for someone looking to upgrade their morning coffee routine without becoming a full-time barista, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of coffee machines, kitchen appliances, smart home products, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.